this is Linda from Paint Transfer Design. I am a Dixie Belle Elite retailer together with a ReDesign Prima retailer. We also flip furniture on the side as a part of our business, and I work with my daughter-in-law, and we have this YouTube channel to bring you content that will help you learn how to use our products. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to our channel. The more subscriptions we get, the more content we can create. Please like and comment and ask any questions below. All the products that we use in every video are linked in the comments section below. Our website is painttransferdesign.com.
I started with this piece using my heat gun to remove the veneer on the edge. I then switched to my palm sander using a high grit sandpaper to smooth the edge. I used a 220 sandpaper to have a smooth finish. After sanding my top with a high grit sandpaper, I was ready to apply no pain gel stain. I wanted to use pickling white. The first step is to open the container, and you want to stir it thoroughly. You want to apply this with a Dixie Belle applicator or a lint-free cloth. You'll dip the applicator into the no pain gel stain and wipe it onto your piece in small amounts in the direction of the wood grain. After you applied in one section, you want to wipe back the excess. Do this for your entire piece. After you've wiped off all the excess, let it dry for 24 hours. If you like the finish, keep it the way it is, and you will eventually seal the piece with a top coat. Or you can apply a second coat if you want a deeper color. Next, using a gold leaf glue, I wanted to apply gold leaf to the edge. You want to apply the gold leaf glue and use this only when using gold leaf. You're going to apply it and leave it to be tacky. The next step is going to be applying the gold leaf itself. Gold leaf is sold on Amazon and other places like Hobby Lobby, and it comes in a package of gold, silver, and rose gold if you wish, or just buy the gold. You'll go around your piece applying small pieces of the gold. Using a stencil brush, I tacked it down to the glue. Working with gold leaf can be very messy, so I was outside working with this, but if you're inside, you want to lay a cloth down and capture all the gold leaf. You could actually save the excess gold leaf and wipe it back into a container to use on future projects. Here is my entire piece before I painted the body. The top is finished, and I did paint the entire piece with 2 coats of Dixie Belle chalk mineral paint and tea rose. Now for the fun part. I decided to stencil the front of the drawers with the Diamond Flourish Stencil by ReDesign with Prima, together with the Glass Bead Gel and 2 different colored chalk pastes, both from ReDesign with Prima. First, I removed my drawers and put them upright on the floor. I butted them against each other and positioned the stencil in the center. Next, I took 2 cups, and with the Glass Bead Gel from ReDesign with Prima, I separated the 2 portions of Glass Bead Gel into the jars. I then added my colorant. I chose a rose and a purple. Again, I will link all the products I used in the description below. All products are available at painttransferdesign.com. You're going to add the chalk paste to the Glass Bead Gel until you get the desired color. Mix it thoroughly. Working with one color, I applied a small amount to my spatula and placed it onto the Flourish stencil in different areas. You want to continue to use it until you have the desired number of spots with the main color. After you're done with the main color, you're going to take the highlighting color, which I use gold, and you're going to apply that to the areas that are not covered. You'll do this, and then after it's totally and completely covered, you're going to place the spatula at a 45-degree angle and scrape off the excess. You want to have a separate cup available because the product will commingle together with the two colors. So have an extra cup available so that you can place the excess into a cup. Slowly remove your stencil after you have finished. Allow this to dry before moving on to the next section. Slowly lift up your stencil to reveal the finished product. You want to rinse your stencil outside with a garden hose. Do not rinse this in your sink. The Glass Bead Gel will clog the sink. Allow it to dry. I purchased these glass pulls on Amazon. Here is the completed bureau. The glass bead is stunning together with the draw pulls that have a gold in them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and comment below so that we can provide more content for you in the future. Your support for our channel is greatly appreciated. Again, the products can be purchased at painttransferdesign.com, and we will link everything below.